Here's how to do a check-in in TARGPatrol in just a few seconds. Open the mobile app and go to Check-in. Next, tap New Check-in. To start a check-in, select the type of point you want to scan. You'll also see how many points are available for each option. Select the right one, confirm the point, and the check-in will start. If the point has actions configured, the app will prompt you to complete them, exactly the same way as in scheduled tasks. After that, you can either scan another point or complete the check-in. When you add another point, it appears as a new step, like in scheduled tasks. You can review all completed steps anytime in the bottom panel. In the top panel, you'll find buttons to add a comment or create an issue. You can also delete the check-in if you don't want to save it. Press Delete to clear all progress. Available points shows which points are configured for check-ins. You can also see how many times each point has been scanned. You can close the screen or navigate to other pages in the app at any time. To continue the check-in, simply tap the check-in that is currently in progress. As soon as you tap Complete, the check-in is finalized and then synced to the server. Check-ins also work fully offline. You can scan points, complete actions, and leave comments without a network connection. Once you're back online, all saved data will automatically sync to the server.